To add Google Analytics tracking code to your website, start by creating a Google Analytics account if you don't already have one. Go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. Fill out the required information, including your website's name, URL, and industry category. Once you have created your account, you will be given a unique tracking code that looks like this. A long string of numbers and letters that starts with UA. This tracking code is what allows Google Analytics to collect data from your website. To add the tracking code to your website, you will need to copy and paste it into the HTML of your website's pages. The tracking code should be placed in the head section of your website's HTML, just before the closing head tag. This will allow Google Analytics to track every page on your website. If you are using a content management system like WordPress or Joomla, you can add the tracking code to your website's theme or template. This will allow you to add the tracking code to every page on your website without having to manually edit each page. Alternatively, you can use a plugin or module to add the Google Analytics tracking code to your website. Many content management systems have plugins or modules available that make it easy to add Google Analytics to your website. After you have added the tracking code to your website, you can verify that it is working by checking the Google Analytics dashboard. You should start to see data coming in within a few hours. Make sure to test your tracking code to ensure it is working correctly and that you are getting accurate data. Best practices for using Google Analytics include setting up goals and events to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or button clicks. You should also use filters to exclude internal traffic and bots from your data. And set up e-commerce tracking if you have an online store. By following these steps, you can add Google Analytics tracking code to your website and start collecting valuable data about your visitors and their behavior. This data can help you make informed decisions about your website and marketing strategy, and improve your overall online presence.